Question number 2 says that in a mathematics test given to 15 students, the following marks out of 100 are recorded. So these are the marks of 15 students who had given the test. We have to find the mean, median and mode of this data. We will start by finding the mean, for which the formula is sum of observations divided by the number of observations. To get the sum of observations, we add the marks of all 15 students and we will have to divide it by 15 as the number of students are 15. On addition, we get the sum as 822, which is to be divided by 15. On division, we get the answer as 54.8, which is the mean of the given data. Now our next step is to find the median, so let's start doing that. To find the median of the given data, we will have to arrange this data first in either ascending or in descending order. So we will arrange the given data in ascending order and the order of marks that we get is this. Now we will have to find the middlemost value in this given data, and as the number of observations is 15, we use the formula given on the screen. And as we already know that the value of n is 15, let's start substituting. So we write 15 plus 1 and divided by 2. This gives us the term which is the middlemost term. So we get 16 by 2. So the term which is the middlemost is the 8th term. So from the given data which is already arranged in ascending order, we get to know that the middlemost term's value is 52. So the median for the given data becomes 52. Our final step is to find the mode for the given data, and we will do it by finding the observation which is occurring the maximum number of times. So as the data is already arranged in ascending order, let's start looking for the observation which occurs the most. So as we can see, 52 is an observation which is occurring 3 times amongst the given set of observations and which is the maximum number of times. So 52 becomes the mode for the given set of data. So this is how we find the mean, median and mode of a given set of data.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.